This is my new studio, guys. Welcome, welcome. It's been a long time in the making. It's been a long road, but guess what? I'm settled in and now I am ready to give you guys my all and start our second annual mentorship. Now, we did a mentorship last year, and this year I am throwing the Fire Your Boss mentorship, which is very special to my heart because I fired my boss last March. So this is the 1-year anniversary. I want to show you the exact proven steps that I took in order to fire my boss and be able to make over $10,000 a month working from home, doing what I love, leveraging my credit. Let's go. Let's go. If you're serious about success, this is something you do not want to miss.